Electric vehicles. It seems so easy. Just plug in and go. No more buying insanely high-priced gas. No more hurting the environment with your exhaust. Yet, is it that simple? Well, on the positive side, an electric car is quiet, smooth running, and has a stronger acceleration than gas-powered cars. There are also low maintenance. On an environmental note, the car won't produce any pollutants. Power plant might though. Yet some power plants using water, sun, wind, or nuclear power create no pollutants in the air. Most power plants are still run by natural gas, but the burning of methane produces much less pollutants than the burning of octane. Natural gas emissions per billion BTU are only 117,000 pounds of carbon dioxide, 40 pounds of carbon monoxide, 92 pounds of nitrogen oxides, 1 pound of sulfur dioxide, 7 pounds of particulates, and no mercury. Meanwhile, the burning of gas creates more. 164,000 pounds of carbon dioxide, 33 pounds of carbon monoxide, 448 pounds of nitrogen oxides, 1,122 pounds of sulfur dioxide, 84 pounds of particulates, and 0.007 pounds of mercury. Another plus is that electricity is readily available, unlike gas that only comes from gas stations or hydrogen fuel cells, because hydrogen is difficult to process. On the other hand, electric vehicles are limited in their range compared to gas-powered ones, only available to travel less than 200 miles before having to recharge. Also, the recharge time is much longer than that of refueling, taking about 6 hours to fully charge a battery. That's no problem if one charges it overnight, though. Now, how does that electricity get into the car? Well, it is brought to the plug from power plants. Most power plants burn methane to create electricity. Methane is an odorless, colorless, flammable gas made out of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, while normal octane used in cars is 8 carbons and 18 hydrogens and is a liquid. These plants combust methane with oxygen. This creates carbon dioxide and water. This is the same with your car when it combusts fuel. This reaction also creates heat. This heat is used to heat water to turn turbines to create electricity. Another method is turning turbines with the heated gas itself. However, the most effective method is a combination of both that leads to an efficiency of around 60%. The car itself is also around 60% efficient with its electricity it's given. Internal combustion engines, on the other hand, are only about 20% efficient. When it comes down to it, on average, gas-powered cars run at 11 cents a mile, and electric vehicles run at 4 cents a mile. Now think. It's less expensive, readily available, superior performance. Power plants are going green eventually, so there will be no polluting emissions to create the energy. It's more efficient, and it's the way of the future. Buy electric today.